Hello, my name is Xiao and I am from Beijing Institute of Education. Along with my colleagues Xiao Ying from China University of Political Science and Law and Liang Feng from Capital University of Physical Education and Sports, I am honored to present our research today. First, I would like to thank the organizers of the 16th International Symposium for Olympic and Paralympic Research for providing us with this platform to share our findings. We are also grateful to all of you for attending our session. The topic of our presentation is on the current situation, challenges, and coping strategies of Olympic education in China. This research aims to explore the present state of Olympic education in China, identify the key challenges it faces, and propose strategies to address these challenges. We believe this is a crucial topic, given the global importance of the Olympic movement and its educational values. Clearly, education has always been a key component of Olympism. While the Olympic Games are held every 4 years, Olympic education continues beyond the competitions, focusing on sustainable development. Olympic education positively impacts physical education, moral education, intellectual education, and aesthetic education, promoting social equity, justice, solidarity, peace, and the harmonious development of humans and the natural environment. However, Olympic education is influenced by social values, politics, economy, culture, and other factors. Therefore, Chinese Olympic education has unique educational value and realization paths, making it significant to study its current situation, challenges, and coping strategies of Olympic education in China. The current situation of Olympic education in China. Over the past 15 years, China has efficiently organized and successfully hosted 2 Olympic Games and 1 Youth Olympic Games. This has injected new vitality into the Olympic movement and significantly advanced Chinese Olympic education in several dimensions. There has been a remarkable increase in attention, awareness, and participation in Olympic education in recent times, indicating a deepening interest and engagement with the Olympic movement across society. Olympic education has emerged as a crucial teaching component that has been seamlessly integrated into the education system of primary, secondary, and higher education institutions, reflecting a broader societal shift towards valuing sports and physical activity. Not only has Olympic education become an essential part of school teaching plans and curricula, but its influence has extended beyond the classroom. At the community level, various programs and events have been organized to promote Olympic values and encourage active participation in sports. These initiatives have garnered widespread enthusiasm, drawing people from all walks of life to engage in physical activities and learn more about the Olympics. Olympic education materials have significant enrichment, evolving to become a point where their content is increasingly scientific and systematic. These comprehensive materials encompass a wide range of topics, including the rich history, diverse culture, and profound spiritual meanings inherent in the Olympic movement. Additionally, they keep pace with the latest advancements and emerging trends within the Olympics, providing learners with up-to-date information. Remarkably, the integration of cutting-edge AI technology has revolutionized the presentation of these materials, making them more engaging, immersive, and interactive. This technological infusion has not only breathed new life into the learning process but also greatly enhanced the educational experience for learners of all ages. The result is a more dynamic and appealing approach to Olympic education that has successfully attracted a broader and more diverse audience, including young and old, to actively participate. Practical activities related to the Olympics are incredibly diverse and vibrant, offering a wide range of experiences that cater to various interests. These activities cleverly intertwine sports with culture and art, creating a unique and engaging blend. Through the meticulous organization of Olympic cultural festivals, celebrations, and expositions, the public is given a chance to immerse themselves in the rich heritage and traditions associated with the Olympics. Furthermore, specialized sports skill training sessions are conducted, allowing enthusiasts to refine their techniques and strategies under the guidance of experts. These sessions not only improve athletic abilities but also instill discipline and teamwork among participants. Additionally, the development of peripheral products, such as Olympic emblems and mascots, has further stimulated public interest. These items serve as tangible reminders of the Olympic spirit, sparking conversations and inspiring people to learn more about the movement. 16th International Symposium for Olympic and Paralympic Research IKO 16 2024. These practical activities not only enrich people's lives but also align with the National Fitness Plan, promoting healthy lifestyles and physical activity among the populace. As a result, public interest and participation in the Olympic movement have surged, fostering a stronger sense of community and belonging. Moreover, these activities increase exchanges and cooperation among Olympic organizations in different regions, strengthening the Olympic movement's global reach and influence. Through these activities, the Olympics have become a powerful platform for cultural exchange, unity, and mutual understanding among nations. Challenges facing Olympic education in China. As Olympic education takes root and grows in China, it faces significant challenges. Imbalanced educational resources. There is a notable disparity in resource distribution between regions. Students in economically developed areas and major cities receive much more Olympic education compared to those in less developed regions or smaller cities, with rural students generally receiving less Olympic education. Schools also differ in resources, with key primary and secondary schools, top universities, and resource-rich international schools having more access to Olympic education resources and opportunities. This imbalance results in unequal opportunities for students to benefit from Olympic education. It creates a gap between those who have access to rich educational resources and those who do not, potentially hindering the overall development of Olympic education in China. Low educational effectiveness. A significant concern in Olympic education is its low educational effectiveness. Often there is a gap between educational goals and actual outcomes, with activities remaining at the superficial level of publicity stunts or one-off events. These activities fail to delve deep into the Olympic spirit and its core values, such as teamwork, fair competition, and perseverance. This superficial engagement prevents the full cultivation of crucial life skills in students. Without a deeper understanding and practical application of Olympic values, the true potential of Olympic education remains untapped. Insufficient teaching staff. The issue of insufficient teaching staff in Olympic education is a significant challenge that needs to be addressed. On one hand, there is currently a notable shortage of teachers specifically trained and engaged in Olympic education, which makes it difficult to meet the growing educational demands in this field. This shortage not only limits the spread of Olympic knowledge and values, but also hinders the full realization of the potential benefits that Olympic education can bring to young people. On the other hand, teachers' professional abilities vary, with some lacking sufficient professional knowledge, educational skills, and teaching experience. Some teachers may possess a solid understanding of Olympic values and have extensive teaching experience, while others may lack sufficient professional knowledge, educational skills, and teaching experience necessary to effectively convey the importance and relevance of the Olympics to their students. This variance in teachers' professional abilities can lead to inconsistencies in the quality of Olympic education being provided, potentially affecting students' understanding and appreciation of the Olympics. To address this issue, it is crucial to invest in teacher training and development programs specifically tailored to Olympic education, ensuring that all teachers have the necessary knowledge and skills to deliver high-quality education in this field. By doing so, we can not only improve the overall quality of Olympic education, but also inspire more young people to embrace the Olympic spirit and values. Integration issues with Chinese educational culture. The core values and educational philosophy of Olympic education, originating in the West, face cultural differences and cognitive barriers when integrating with Chinese traditional culture and education systems. The content and methods need to be adapted to fit the educational background of Chinese students. This integration challenge requires careful consideration of cultural nuances and educational practices in China. Without proper adaptation, the effectiveness of Olympic education could be compromised, limiting its impact on students. Difficulties in collaborative governance. The promotion and implementation of Olympic education require cooperation among multiple entities, including families, schools, social organizations, enterprises, and educational management departments. However, due to differing interests and communication mechanisms, collaborative governance is challenging. This leads to inconsistencies in the promotion and implementation of Olympic education. Effective collaboration is essential for ensuring that Olympic education is implemented smoothly and consistently across different regions and institutions. Overcoming these governance challenges is crucial for the sustained development of Olympic education. Coping strategies for the development of Olympic education in China. To address the aforementioned challenges, this paper proposes the following main coping strategies. Emphasize strategic planning. Formulating scientific and systematic Olympic education policies and plans, balancing educational resources, and enhancing collaborative governance are crucial. Establish a collaborative mechanism involving multiple parties to ensure sustainable development. The government, schools, social organizations, and other parties should clearly define their roles and responsibilities in Olympic education, working together to promote its development. The government should introduce relevant policies and measures to provide policy guarantees and material support for Olympic education. Schools should formulate specific implementation plans and teaching programs based on their actual situations to ensure the practical implementation of Olympic education. Social organizations can act as a bridge, connecting the government, schools, and various social sectors, promoting the sharing and optimal allocation of Olympic education resources. Strengthen teacher training. Teachers play a crucial role in implementing Olympic education. Education authorities should design systematic training programs, organize regular expert lectures and experience exchanges, and establish comprehensive incentive mechanisms to expand the pool of Olympic education teachers. A comprehensive training program can equip teachers with the necessary knowledge and skills to deliver high-quality Olympic education. Regular expert lectures and experience exchanges can help teachers stay updated with the latest developments in Olympic education and share best practices. Establishing incentive mechanisms can attract more people interested in Olympic education to join the profession, ensuring a steady supply of qualified teachers. Improve teaching facilities and learning environments. To enhance the quality of education, it is imperative to focus on improving teaching facilities and learning environments. This involves investing in and updating teaching facilities with modern teaching equipment such as intelligent teaching platforms and multimedia display systems. By incorporating these advanced tools, we can provide teachers with the necessary support to impart Olympic knowledge more effectively. Not only will this enhance the learning experience for students, but it will also enable teachers to deliver engaging and interactive lessons, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the Olympics and sports in general. Ultimately, this investment in teaching facilities will elevate the overall educational experience, preparing students to embrace the Olympic spirit and pursue excellence in sports and beyond. Leverage the role of mass media. Mass media can play a positive and effective role in promoting the educational value of the Olympic movement. Utilizing the diversity of internet content and the convenience of information access, mass media should focus on promoting Olympic values and converting public attention on events into effective guidance for their own exercise habits. Mass media campaigns can raise awareness about Olympic education and its benefits. By showcasing inspiring stories and achievements related to the Olympics, media can motivate people to participate in sports and adopt healthy lifestyles. Additionally, social media platforms can be used to engage with the younger generation, making Olympic education more accessible and relatable. Emphasize international exchange and cooperation. Establishing connections and cooperative relationships with international Olympic organizations and other countries' Olympic education institutions is crucial. Learning and absorbing advanced international Olympic education concepts and practices to innovate and develop Olympic education in China. Active promotion of China's Olympic education achievements and experiences on the international stage can enhance China's influence and status in the field of international Olympic education. This exchange of ideas and practices can lead to new insights and improvements in Olympic education, benefiting both China and the global Olympic community. Conclusion. Olympic education in China must keep pace with the development and changes of the international Olympic movement, constructing a Chinese plan for Olympic education that integrates international Olympic education concepts, highlights the Olympic spirit, and fits China's national conditions. Promoting the development of Olympic education is a long-term and arduous task that requires continuous research, innovation, and the formulation of feasible development strategies and implementation plans. Cultivating teaching staff, improving teaching facilities and environments, strengthening international exchange and cooperation, and paying attention to detail and quality control are essential for continuously advancing Olympic education. This will contribute positively to cultivating more talents with Olympic spirit and qualities, ultimately supporting the sustainable development of the Olympic movement and promoting social equity, justice, solidarity, peace, and the harmonious development of humans and the natural environment. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to all of you for your attention and interest in our work. We are happy to take any questions you might have. If anyone would like to discuss further, please feel free to approach us after the session. Thank you.